Welcome to York County, Virginia. My name is Jim Noel, and it is my privilege to serve as Director of Economic Development for York County. I greatly appreciate your interest in the community I've called home for many years. As Economic Development Director, this county is my product, and I'm pleased to report that I have a great product. Beyond the core attributes we possess, like top-ranked public schools and over 200 miles of coastline, we're rich in business assets. We're within 45 minutes of 3 international airports and have easy access to the Port of Virginia, located in the world's largest natural harbor. Our region benefits from more than 13,000 highly trained military personnel exiting the service and entering the workforce every year. We're in proximity to Thomas Nelson Community College, Christopher Newport University, and the College of William and Mary. These educational resources all have programs that directly benefit our businesses, and they welcome opportunities to expand those efforts. As you peruse this website, no matter which metric you review, you'll find York County at the top. From a well-educated workforce to very competitive tax rates, we have an excellent platform for your business. If you're already interested in locating here, check out YorkCountySites.com, a state-of-the-art GIS-based commercial real estate database. This wonderful tool will allow you to evaluate York County real estate options day or night with up-to-date demographic and business information. In addition to our strategic advantages, York County leadership is committed to sustaining and growing our business base. From innovative business assistance programs to streamlining review and permitting processes, we are passionate about economic growth. I look forward to discussing with you how we can help you become part of the success story we call York County, Virginia.